When people are spending money on your store, you're this close to getting them to buy something else on top. However, you mess it up over and over again. Every single dropshipper I've ever worked with does mistakes with average order value. They have literally no clue on how to get the most money out of the customer who's already paying anyways. The hardest part is done. The hardest part is to get them to put in the credit card details, click on pay on PayPal or whatever it is. That's the difficult part. It's just about adding a couple of dollars extra on every single order on average, which is just gonna change your business if you do this right. This is gonna be part 4 of the fundamental series. We already talked about the mindset, product research, and how to make a store. Number 1, we're gonna talk about how to make irresistible offers. Number 2 is we're gonna talk about all the places where you can upsell people and how you optimize the entire funnel step by step. Pay attention and also take notes. This is a really important video which can change your business. First of all, understand that with offers, there's a bunch of different varieties where you can present a fact in a different light. You can say 1 piece costs 50 euros and 2 pieces costs 75 euros. So you get a 50% off on the second piece you buy. What you could also do is just price the first one 75 euros and give the second one for free. But then you need to understand that there's no option to buy one. So it only makes sense if anyways people are inclined to buy 2. The other thing you can do, you can also price 1 piece at 70 euros and 2 pieces at 75. And the jump on the upgrade is so tempting that everybody's gonna buy it because the second piece only costs 5 euros. When in reality, just increase the initial price. Just understand and be open to you presenting facts in different ways. We've seen insane jumps in conversions where we offer, instead of a pack of 5, a buy 1 and get 4 pieces for free. We priced it exactly the same. However, it started doing extremely well because it's just 4 free pieces and everybody loves free. So this is generally something which you need to keep in mind. Whenever you can offer something for free, do it. Whether it's a free ebook or a free surprise box or even free shipping, keep in mind that free things are always going to attract a lot of people. Now there's one thing which is even better, which is offering free things for money. And now listen to me. This is one of the strongest concepts I've ever came across. I've actually learned this in one restaurant I was at. I was sitting in the restaurant and the waiter comes up to me and he tells me, "Hey, do you want this as starters?" And I said, "No, I'm good." And he looked at me and he said, "Actually, I'm gonna still bring it to you. It's free. It's on me." And I was super grateful to him instantly. But I also understood what he did here. Instead of just giving me free bread, which he was about to do, he first offered it for money. He increased the average order value by doing that because some people will take it. And if people say no, he still gives it to them and they're super happy and the tips increase. Meaning that you can, for example, have an upsell, which is an ebook. And if people take it, you give it to them. And if people don't take it, you still give it to them and they're happy about it because they didn't expect it and you gave them some extra bonus. And you basically did 2 things here. You increased the average order value by offering a free thing for money first, and you increased the happiness of the customer because now they got a free thing even they didn't buy it. And the people who paid for it, they're also going to be happy because they didn't lose anything. They got what they paid for. So it's the same thing. And this is a concept which is super beneficial because you always need to keep in mind how anchors are made. In your head, this thing costs $5, but this guy gave it to you for free. If he would have gave it to you for free before, you wouldn't have appreciated it as much because it didn't feel like a $5 thing. It feels free. And there's a lot of variations which you can do here. On the pre-purchase upsell, you basically offer the ebook, meaning that when people add to cart, they're actually going to see a pop-up. Here, in a lot of the cases, your responsibility is not to get the sale. It's just to anchor the price. So the price anchor is going to be, for example, this ebook, you sell it for $50 on the pre-purchase upsell. And most people don't take it, but they saw it. And now what you can do when people just buy the initial product without the ebook, now you can add a post-purchase upsell and you're selling the same ebook for $8.99. And everybody's gonna take it because they saw this insanely high price and now it actually is super cheap. And for them, the ebook is worth $50. And now you get a true discount. True discounts is the thing which you wanna achieve always. People want to see true discounts. Everybody knows about discounts. Everybody knows that 50% off, 80% off, 90% off mostly is fake. However, in this case, you made this scenario where a discount is perceived as extremely real. There's no doubt in anyone's head that the ebook is going to be bad now because it's a $50 ebook and the value just skyrocketed. and now they didn't take the post-purchase upsell, you still give it to them for free. It's free, you don't care. Like, ebooks are literally not costing you money, and the person who received it, he has a $50 item for free. They're super thankful, and now if you have some shipping delays or something happens, the level of tolerance which they have is going to be much better because they're happy. Moreover, your email campaigns are going to work much better now, because if you sell like this, the trust and the happiness in your brand is so high that if you, for example, send out an email campaign now, which is just going to offer another product, and you say, if you buy this product, you're going to get a really good surprise. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Now they trust you, they're interested in the surprise. They actually now believe that the surprise is going to be good, when in reality, nothing has changed. You gave them a free ebook. And now compare that to just giving them a free ebook by itself. Compare the experience of the customer and the happiness he's gonna have with this. Because he's not gonna be that happy with just a free book which he's just received like that. He's just not gonna appreciate it that much. Talking about the emails and just generally the post-purchase experience, there's one thing which is gonna make people buy like crazy, which is gift cards and not discounts. Because when you send out an email and you basically say, hey, we offer this product, it's 50% off. If you wanna get it, get it. That's one thing. However, let's say you sell it for $10 and then they get a $5 discount. You only sell it for $5, for example. This is one option. The other option is going to be, hey, customer, here is a $5 gift card. If you actually want to use the gift card, here's a link where you can use it. And then you have a product page. You link a product, which is $10, and now they have a $5 discount, which is $5. Same thing, again, exactly same thing, nothing changed. You didn't have another offer, but you presented it differently. And that's going to make a big impact because now they feel like they're losing money if they don't put in this gift card. They basically have a voucher for $5. They can either use it or not use it. If they don't use it, they just throw those $5 out of the window. And this is a very different feeling than get 50% off. This is actually also something which you can do on the post-purchase upsell. Instead of giving 50% off, you just say, hey, thanks for making your first purchase. As a thank you, we want to give you a $5 gift card. You can use it whenever you want on the store. Here is the product we would recommend you to use it on though. And you show the product. This is a very powerful frame because A, they trust that the discount is real. They see $10, they need to put in a discount code to actually get it to $5. It seems like a real offer. And also, again, they don't want to leave money on the table. One other thing which most people forget is that the average order value is made in other places than the upselling itself as well. Number one, the product selection. If you select a product, we have a perfect complementary product, or you select a product where it just makes sense to buy 5 pieces, people will buy 5 pieces and you're going to make more money. You can always make your life easier by, for example, selecting a product which is similar to, let's say, a spoon. People don't buy 1 spoon. People buy at least a set of 10 spoons. And now you can just say, buy 1 spoon, get 9 spoons for free. And now this 1 spoon is going to cost $29.99 and you instantly sell a set of 10 spoons right away. And then it's also going to be pretty easy to sell knives or forks next to this spoon. So just keep in mind to think about this. The other thing is the ads. Ads are one of the most important parts about the e-com business in general. And you need to understand that in the ads, you also can show how people are using your product multiple times. I'm going to show you an example of an ad which just increases average order value insanely well, and you can just tell by yourself.
Hey guys, 6 months ago, I made a TikTok for Gel Blaster. Here we go. Opening it. Let's see. Yo! Oh my god! Look at that. It has my initials on the blaster. That's sick. First test run. Oh my goodness. And the coolest part about these is that they glow in the dark, so I'm gonna have a few of my friends come by and we're gonna test them out. Right side, ready? Yeah! Left side, ready? Yeah! Fire! Oh my god. Oh my god. That was crazy. That was nuts. I got it in the nose. Look at Taylor.
So obviously showing a huge fight like this, it just frames the product like a product which it makes sense to buy multiple. You need to keep reminding people that this is relevant. They need multiple of your product. However, that's obviously not the only thing which the ad is going to do. And the next video about the fundamental series is going to be about exactly this. How do you make an ad which gets people to click onto your store? And moreover, you get people to not only click on your store, but you get the ones who actually are interested in your product to click. So basically, how do you create this match? I want you to subscribe to this channel and also put in the post notification bell on, because you don't want to miss the video where I'm talking about exactly this. If you truly understand how to make an ad, it will change everything for you. Because ads are the core fundamentals of marketing. How do you make a picture in a video which actually triggers people to want to get that item? There's going to be tons of really nuanced and interesting tricks what I'm going to show you in the next video, so definitely subscribe and stay posted. Also, if you're interested in working with me together in a mentoring program, you can click the link below, sign up for a call, and we're going to find out if we're going to be a good fit. The program is going to just cover everything in how to find a product, how to make an ad, how to make a store, how to analyze the numbers, how to go through the entire funnel and find problems, because when you test a product and it doesn't work, it might be that you're constantly fixing the wrong issue. If you test a product and it doesn't work and you keep testing next product after next product after next product, but your actual issue is the ads, I'm going to see that and I'm going to tell you. So that's that. If you're interested, click the link below and I'm going to talk to you soon.